Here's where you can go to select the graphics driver preference, whether it's the default or the system graphics driver. You'll need to enter into developer options. This is a Xiaomi phone with Android 15. To get into these settings, you'll first, again, need to go into developer options. So use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you're here, you're going to go to where it says My Device. As you tap here, you're looking for what is called or labeled as OS version, this right here. And when you see it, you're going to tap on it 7 times, this one right there. If it's not there, you can also check under detailed info and specs. As you enter here, you're going to also see OS version. So either way or wherever it is, tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it's developer options is enabled. Also, you may need to put in your PIN or password for your lock screen. If you have that set up, it may prompt you for that. And once you do that, you're back here and come out of here, and use the search settings to type in developer options. So as you start to type in the words developer, you'll see the suggestion here. Go ahead and tap on it when you see it. And now that you're here, you are going down and look for the graphics driver settings. Okay, so for most Xiaomi Android 15 phones, it'll most likely be part of here, right here. Graphics driver preferences right there. And once you go into it here, you'll see a list of all the apps you have on your phone. Of course, once it's turned on here, you have this default option, enable for all apps as default. And of course, that's going to set that there. But if you want, you can go down and find the app you want to change it for, which you don't have much options except for this or that system graphics driver. Now, just so you know, this may not do much, but if you want, give it a try. Let me know in the comment section how did it help you out in any way, and if you learned something new. Like and sub.